Welcome back to our exploration of Learjet systems and basic maintenance. In this video, we're combining structural integrity with a vital system, looking at the aircraft's leading edge and its integrated fuel tanks. These areas are crucial for both aerodynamics and the very range of the aircraft. First, let's identify the leading edge. This is the forwardmost part of the wing, the first surface to meet the airflow as the aircraft moves. On the Learjet, it's designed with a precise aerodynamic curve essential for generating lift. Beyond its aerodynamic function, the leading edge also serves as a protective structure. It can house various systems like de-icing equipment, or in some designs, even form part of the fuel tank structure itself. Now let's talk about fuel tanks. Many modern aircraft, including the Learjet, utilize a wet wing design. This means the primary wing structure itself is sealed to become an integral fuel tank, making highly efficient use of space. The Learjet 25 also uses additional internal fuel capacity, beyond just the main wing tanks, to extend its range. These are often referred to as auxiliary or extra fuel tanks. While not external pods like on some larger aircraft, they're distinct compartments within the wing or fuselage, all connected to the aircraft's fuel system. These tanks hold the Jet A fuel that's pumped to the engines. They also feature various internal components, like baffles to prevent sloshing, pumps for fuel transfer, and vent systems, to allow air in and out as fuel levels change. The leading edge's smooth curved shape is crucial for directing airflow over the wing to create lift. Any damage here can significantly impact the wing's efficiency and the aircraft's performance. Regarding the fuel tanks, their operation involves not just storage, but also precise management. Fuel is drawn from these tanks by boost pumps and fed to the engines. A sophisticated fuel management system ensures balanced fuel consumption across the tanks, preventing imbalances that could affect the aircraft's center of gravity. Crucially, the tanks must also be vented to the atmosphere. As fuel is consumed, air needs to enter the tanks to prevent a vacuum. Conversely, as tanks are filled or as altitude changes, air or fuel vapor needs to exit. The vent system prevents structural damage from pressure differentials. Both the leading edge and the fuel tanks are absolutely fundamental to the Learjet's capability and safety. The leading edge dictates aerodynamic performance. A perfectly smooth leading edge ensures efficient airflow, minimizing drag and maximizing lift. Damage here can reduce fuel efficiency and even compromise flight characteristics. It also protects the vital internal wing structure. The fuel tanks are the lifeblood of the aircraft. They provide the necessary fuel for range and endurance, allowing the Learjet to complete its missions. Proper fuel management and tank integrity are paramount for safety. Leaks can lead to fire hazards, and fuel contamination can cause engine failure. Maintaining these systems directly impacts the aircraft's ability to fly, and fly safely. Now, let's look at the basic visual inspections for the leading edge and the fuel tank systems. For the leading edge, conduct a thorough visual inspection. Look for any dents, creases, scratches, or punctures that might affect its aerodynamic shape or structural integrity. Pay close attention to areas where ice protection systems might be located. Also, check for loose or missing rivets along the skin. For the fuel tanks, the most critical daily check is for leaks. Walk around the wing and fuselage areas where the tanks are located. Look for any signs of fuel stains, drips, or puddles on the ground. Check carefully around access panels and drain points specifically. That wraps up our detailed look at the Learjet's leading edge and its essential fuel tanks. Their combined integrity is key to safe and efficient flight, from aerodynamics to the very fuel that powers the engines. Don't forget to scan the QR code for more detailed information. We'll see you there.